Space which has been buzzing, that's PSU banking space as well. The government may raise the FDI cap in PSU banks from 20% to 49%, a move that could unlock fresh foreign inflows into top names like SBI, Bank of Baroda and Canara Bank. With PSU banks already outpacing private peers, what's next for the sector? Vansh joins in with the analysis. Vansh, what are you picking up?
Well, thank you for that, Sharad. So, as per reports, government may consider a hike in the foreign investment cap for state-run banks for to 49%. Now, if we talk about the current cap, now it stands at about 20%. Now, the government will continue to own above that 51% mark as well. Now, this move is aimed to this move is aimed at the part for broader reforms to boost the economy as well. Also, if we talk about the performance of Nifty PSU Bank versus Nifty Bank, we have seen a sharp outperformance coming in from the Nifty PSU. If we look at the 3 years return, we saw a 131% rally from PSU Bank versus a 40% rally from Nifty Bank as well. Now, if we talk about the PSU Bank's ownership, now what we are looking at in terms of ownership is if we look at the ownership, we saw SBI with a 9.5% holding with the FIs and Canara Bank with 11.89% holding with the FIs. So clearly, Canara Bank and SBI continue to be the top among top holdings amongst the FIs as well. Also, if we look at the foreign interest now, it's clearly rising into India. If we look at some of the recent news, we saw Dubai-based NBD buying $3 billion of stake in RBL Bank worth about 60% as well. We saw Sumitomo Banking acquiring 24% stake in Yes Bank. So clearly this will help more capital coming in for PSU banks, which may aid the further growth for these particular banks as well. Lastly, if we look at the details now, what's in for the PSU banks, if the limit goes up from the current 20% mark to that 49%, this could lead to passive inflows in SBI, Bank of Baroda, Canara Bank and PNB, as they are already a part of MSCI and FTSE indices as well. FI holding across PSU banks currently range between 4.5% and 12%. However, as per analysts, SBI could see the highest inflow, followed by Bank of Baroda, Canara Bank and PNB. In fact, if you look at the inflows, now SBI is expected to have inflows about $1,455 million, with Bank of Baroda leading the charts with $206 million of inflow expected as well. So this is how the overall picture is panning out for the entire PSU bank as well.
Yeah, and the pack in focus, as we pointed out to you. Vansh, thanks so much for getting us those details. In fact, let's very quickly pull up the PSU banking pack.